How to create a Whatnot account on mobile. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. After you have downloaded your Whatnot app, just open up the app and you can either continue with Google account, Facebook account, Apple ID, or your email. So just choose the one of your preference, put in the email and the password, and then you'll need to verify your phone number and a code will be sent to your device. And then you'll need to choose your country. So just set your country, and now you'll need to set your username. So they will suggest a username. You can continue with that. You can allow contacts and then choose your male or female or non-binary. Now, you can find something that you want to shop for in the Whatnot app. So, choose the category according to your preferences, and then Whatnot will try to curate a perfect feed for you. And then that's it. Your account has now been created. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.